Alright. Let me edit this really quick. Thing 4. Should be okay. Right. Okay, we're good. Alright, let me pull the stream up on my phone so I don't gotta keep the stream settings up the whole time. I know, CD, hate for Sonic CD will not be tolerated. Oh, this might not this channel. Let's go on the person. Alright, let's actually get to work. Unfortunately, we gotta go through my least favorite part of this so far, and that is making the Wi-Fi menu. This is what we're working on next. Now, I think we have WPA supplicant on here. Okay, we do. Now, I gotta. We're going to go and look up the documentation. As with everything, there is documentation. Thankfully, Linux actually has pretty good documentation through the Beyond Linux from Scratch platform or project. And we're looking for IP because I don't be remember these commands, I'm not gonna lie. That's called IW, that's what it is. Now, IW, I'm pretty sure IW is not installed on here. Whoa. Is it IWL? IWL. Yeah. IW is not installed. That's gonna be a bit of a problem if we're going to make this similar. Whoa. Oh, this started turning colors. Oh yeah, we're similar to what I have right now. Whoa. Whoa. Uh-oh. What do you mean no internet? Okay. Huh. MPS. WPACLI. Machine on my desk that's an old setup with the same graphics cards as a current internet. Yeah, there's some changes coming to the console, but we'll talk about those very soon once I have all the information. We just gotta get our money right first. I swear there's a way to scan for networks, guys. Trust. I swear it was like IW scan or something like that. We're gonna install IW. Free GPU. Yeah. No, that's not it. Well, how do I find the name of the devices again? I don't remember, guys. I really don't remember. You can't just say IW. Oh, I guess that was it. Parallel port in a floppy disk is crazy work. Floppy disk is wild. IW. Guys, I swear the command is like IW scan or something like that. IW. This tells me that I literally forgot what the... See, on the console, I know it's WLP P3S0 or something like that. It's like that. WLP3S0. That's what it is on the actual console. Floppy disk port is crazy work, though. I ain't gonna lie. I feel so dumb. Oh! There it is right there. Okay. So WLP3. I was right. Oh, you have to say IW dev to scan. What do you mean not permitted? It's permitted, alright. You're gonna do it. Alright, there we go. Omega. Oh yeah, you're right, it is gamma. Unbound, yeah. Okay. So we got a problemo here. That's not swag. No, it is not at all. Oh no. Oh no. Alright, here's what I'm gonna do. We're gonna dump. Net log. No, it's gonna be T net.net log. It was sad. Yes! This is exactly. Stack Overflow for the win. Okay. Oh, I would love if the documentation actually exists, you know? I don't even think that's the right website. I don't even think that's the right website. No. So the kernel documentation, when was this written? La la. 9 years ago, Jesus. Alright, we got some examples, maybe? We got some examples, maybe? Oh no. Oh no. SSID is all I need to see. All I need is the network SSID, bro. That's the device. All I need is there needs to be a struct that control. 115 results. Oh boy. Oh, wait. Action is described in a separate chapter. What does it do? No. Okay, that looks promising. The schedule scans. Connect params. Scanning and BSS. Oh wow, it was right there. Scanning itself is very simple process. Start scan. Vista Premium Certified is wild. That's like, if I had to guess, 04. It's not that old. Floppy disk. Nope, I lied. No, yeah, it's not that old. Not that old. 04, 05 seems. 07. This is as far as I always would go. Yeah, not bad. 04. Yeah, look at that. I was right. Alright, so the scanning process itself is pretty simple, but CFG 802.11 offers quite a few helper functions. To start a scan, the scan operation begins with a scan definition. The scan contains the channels to scan, and the SSIDs to send is to include the wildfire. So you have to create a scan request. we can set this to be null where there are no SSDs, including something about a wildcard. Is there an example of like a wildcard scan? Then notify that scan finished. Can we get like an example maybe? Like this, I understand this. I just want a scanning example. I don't think I'm asking for too much. Hi Delusions, how are you doing today? Why am I using Yahoo? Because I'm on Linux. Nah, don't rush, because I haven't even done the Wi-Fi yet. That's what I'm working on right now. I mean, unless you want me... You started? Start page? Wait, hold on. Let me actually open the Figma. No. Here come Instacart blowing up my phone, too. Ooh! Oh no! Oh no, Delusions, don't do this to me. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. My design? Oh, yeah. That was just a template. I haven't gotten that far yet. I've only done this. And I still gotta figure out how I'm gonna do this one, because this requires some work. But Jesus. Oh, I keep forgetting this stream laggy. Forgetting this is laggy. I have a PNG on there. Yes. In theory. But as you will see momentarily, this PNG is going to be a pain. This is going to suck. So let's actually make that right now so you can actually see what I'm talking about. Okay, we'll come back to the networking stuff. Honestly, networking stuff requires me to do some research, so... Okay, so let's draw LAN, draw Wi-Fi. See, making a PNG isn't going to be the problem, Delicious. You will see momentarily. You're going to see in a second. It might work, but at the same time, I can already see that that's gonna not look correct. Maybe. No. TK notes in there. Wait, don't do. Okay, if you're gonna redesign it, then I'll wait. But I need the box though. I need to see the size of it. What I need a pencil. I need some math. Oh, okay. Don't worry about it then. come back to that. Wait, what are you redoing? The Wi-Fi or this? No! You don't gotta do that. Less detailed. Yeah. Something like that. Also, this scroll wheel thing is going to be an actual pain to make. I just want y'all to know that. Oh, that's really what I should work on, is that scroll wheel. Because, oh lord, that is going to suck. Let's go write a scroll wheel demo right quick, in fact. Draw. Scroll. Do I know who you are? I have a guess. I'm not sure though. Okay. Box. If I had to guess, you're not Cabez, you are... Hold on, I'll tell you in a second. You are Kate 2. I think this is who you are. Nah, it's not Rin. Rin does not type like that. It's most definitely not Rin. If that's Rin, I would be actually surprised, because Rin does not talk like that. Oh, RX 5090. That was gonna be my other guess. This is gonna be one of the two. RX 5090. Who is that? Oh, yeah, pretty good. Okay. It was one of the two. I knew it had to be between him. Yeah, it was one of the two of them because they're the main active ones on here. Yeah, Sunshine Gravy. He did. Oh, but you did talk about your game on here the other day. You're right. I had to be one of the two, y'all. That's all I'm saying. So that means Kate. Okay, so I know who Kate is now. You're pretty. I should know because I swear I've seen your channel. I should be. No. Okay. Super stream is really delayed. I know. It's on like normal latency, and I can't make it any better because school Wi-Fi. Draw the scroll wheel. Let's see. I tried making it like normal latency earlier, and it was like not good. I can't change the latency, guys. But like, no, it was like really bad. Like it would not. I do. And although it's not really all that finished, like it's the same version that it was at PAX, which is the without the network warning, because I ran into a fat issue trying to make that. There's rec. 3 to 2x. You can do that. TaperNet demo. I mean, it's not a whole lot to see. It's the same version that you saw. I don't even know if it's built on here. Oh, it is. Is this always on top? Oh, that's just paper. That's literally all that's there right now. And actually, it will quit because it can't open the error. So. No, not CDs. Yeah. Pretty much. Okay, so let's actually finish. I can't ninja because otherwise it's gonna die. Alright, calculator. Oh, on my phone. You know, if I restart LabWC, there's math that goes into everything. So the width of the screen is 1920, and I want the. How big is this scroll wheel? 15. Streaming on my server. Swag. Okay, these dev streams are going to help me a lot. Help me keep track of what I've done and what I haven't. Okay, so hold on. 15, 19, 20. And I want that as a percentage, so it's gonna be, if I know how to do math correctly, it's gonna be 100 times 15 divided by 1920, 0, and then why not the cubic server? Like, why do I not stream the cubic server, or why don't you stream the cubic server? And then, so it should be 0.0. It's definitely not gonna be 0.78. That's big, but I think it should be with time. Oh yeah. Why don't you stream the cubic server? 0078. In fact, let's do that with. The height of the box is going to be 0.21. It seems that I've made a mistake, haven't I? Well, it's okay. It's not that big of a deal. The fishing music! This is the fishing music from Frontiers, right? Yeah, okay, had to make sure. I was about to expose myself as a non-Sonic fan for a second. That would have been terrifying. Okay, so if I inject the why do you do that? Oh, I don't know. I do it randomly. Translate. Guys, trust, I don't. Shell.cr. It's width times 0.3. And then, height times 0.22. Cool. Now what I gotta do is we gotta keep track of the double x width times 0.645, and then y scale equals 0.55. Alright, cool. So now we have the size of the box. Rendering. The great news is once you have like the basis of everything, then all it's gonna be is just wrapping the JS calls, or wrapping the JS app in C. That's gonna not be as terrifying as it sounds. No, so this is the width and the height. This is going to be at X scale, so the width minus it should be, let's see, if I want to make it censored, it should be y scaled divided by 2 minus height times 0.5. That's probably not right, but we're gonna give it a try. Oh, let me parentheses this. Cure by. Right? Then we need to give it a corner radius of 4. We'll pick that later. The color of why that in caps, finite gris 3. What's the background color? Finite gris box 3. Yeah. Set pattern to null, and with preserve is false because we don't want to make an outline. And then but then I'm going to put it at the same position, and then the height is going to be 0.5. Alright, if I did this correctly, this should render a scroll wheel. Oh no. Oh, this is gonna suck. Ninja. Oh lord. Oh, I forgot to undo my unnecessary change. Forgot. La 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 la. Oh, because I'm using width instead of the Y scale. No. All right, here's what we gonna do. We're gonna draw this at right now. We're gonna draw this. Oh, but guys, we're not even drawing the right function. I'm telling you to draw Wi-Fi, and I need to draw a scroll. Still drawing the Wi-Fi menu. Aren't you guys so glad that I did this correctly? Okay. I actually didn't do this too wrong. It's just the X position is actually right. It's just the Y position is not. Y position. Oh, guys, because it should be Y scale. It should be Y scale, right? Right? Because we want only, because this is actually doing the right thing. This is correct. It's starting at 50% of the screen, but it needs to start at 50% of the box. Ah, I didn't ninja. Yeah, I'm so smart, guys. Trust. Ah, this is one problem. It's too high up. Yeah. Hold on. Half of the screen is Y scale times 0.5. I could just do the math myself. Let's say, hold up, I could do Y scale instead of dividing by 2, and I'll do this on this one first. This should be the big bar. That's what we're trying to do first. It's just that I don't trust. Shit. Got you. I don't trust. It should be Y scale divided by 2. Minus. Would it be height times 0.25? Would that center it? Because we want to make the center the anchor point, if that makes any sense. Oh wait, that was it! Haha! Look at that! Smart, fight smart. So we want to make the center the anchor point, if that makes any sense. So we gotta divide this number by 2. So this should be. Wait, I just saw a massive problem. Fall, shine, gravy, sun. This thought that just clicked in my brain. Why am I doing? Check me out, y'all. Yeah, I don't know. For whatever reason, height works, but scale doesn't. We want to start at the same Y. No, I didn't enter. Enter the setup. Alright, it works. Yes, that is Gamma's theme. These will be actual items. These will be not actual items outside of this function. How did I do draw line again? I had it down to a method. Oh, okay, alright, I am doing this right. Okay, so let's just create an char pointer my items. We're going to say that there are 10 items in the array. Mike. Nah, we'll say thing. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9. Of course, today. Alright. Next, we gotta create So then we gotta check that if BTNs, then free BTNs, no. We want to zero out BTNs first. Then we're going to say more colors. No, more CD music. I don't know why I call it colors. Hold up. Oh my gosh. I'm putting myself on blast here. Why did I do this to myself? This is... It's not Tyler Tempest. This is just one of the levels I gotta not like. This... I'm putting myself on blast. This is a good feature theme. This might be Title Tempest good feature. Quartz Quadrant! Oh my gosh. I completely forgot about that level, I ain't gonna lie. It's in past too, it's not even a good feature. It's past. Is that past or present? P-Mix. It's past. That can't be Quartz Quadrant present. No way. If that's present, I actually look so dumb right now. I honestly forgot about that level, I ain't gonna lie. Oh my gosh, that is present. See, if I heard this, I would have been like, oh yeah, that's definitely past. That is present. I can't believe I even got that wrong. Yeah, can't believe I got that wrong, I ain't gonna lie. Putting myself on blast. Don't ask about the CD music, like, cause actually Quartz Quadrant, this is like the most forgettable level in the game. Everything else, you know, I would have got that, but like Quartz Quadrant, yeah, can't believe I got that wrong, not gonna lie. Alright, so BTNs equals malloc, and it's going to be the size of the finite button pointer times 10, because there are 10 items. we don't want to do that. Okay, this needs to be handled somewhere else. I just realized that to do 0 new button array outside of this one. Perchance. Okay, so then we need to check if not buttons, then for I keep thinking I'm programming in Lua, because for I, v and periods, it's just melted into my brain. For int I equals 0 while I is less than 10. Now the great thing about drawing buttons is that all I need is 2 values. I just need to know, we're gonna create a new int off-screen rendering in Cairo. That would be great. That would be great, actually. Cairo. Oh wait, actually I need that. No, actually I don't. Where's the documentation exactly? Pi Cairo. Ugh. Disgusting. I have to learn. I gotta convert all that to C now. Huh? Huh? Despite of your application. GTK Pix buff. Disgusting. We're not using GTK at all. Oh yeah, we're gonna need this in a minute. It's in C! Beautiful. 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 How peak. Cairo. What am I trying to do? Hold up. It'll come to me in a second. What was I working on? Scroll wheel. Off-screen rendering. Cairo clip. That's what I'm looking at. Na 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 Nah, that's not it. Cairo. We're gonna try Cairo clip. Wait. So yeah, let me go back to documentation. No, not clipping outside a region. So we draw a rectangle as this box, and I will fill it. Oh, so you make the shape and then the. Alright, so I got a Cairo save here anyways, because that'll actually mess up everything if I don't. My settings actually, my show.cr. Alright, so if I remember how to do this correctly, right? And then just call Cairo restore with my show.cr. Do we click before translate or after? Because you draw the shape. Hold up. Alright, wait. Let me. So we say Cairo rectangle. We say my CR double X scale, Y scale, right? Clip objects, right? And then doubles can be negative, right, guys? So let's see. Cairo clip. .cr. Oh yeah. Then I should be able to draw rectangle. I just need to see if this will work. say 0. Cool. No. Ah, okay. I know what I'm gonna do now. And then we're gonna say cubic main, the pattern should null, and no. Alright, so if I did this correctly, comment this out real quick. Let's see if I did this right. Looks right. And then if I turn the clip off, if I don't clip, this is the important part. I need to make sure that I did the math and did this right. So I don't clip. Alright, cool. So Cairo, that is, alright, it works. It works. It works. So Cairo clip. But here's my theory now. So if I then draw another rounded rect, this time that doesn't have a fill, you can, in fun fact, and we'll find out you can make an object not have a fill by setting both the color and the pattern to null, and then turning this off. And then we're going to try and do the same thing. It should work, but I could be wrong. Close that. Ninja. Let's give it a try. My draw position is wrong now, but it also did not do the thing I wanted it to do. So it looks like you cannot use a finite. Cannot do that. Oh my gosh. This song's so peak, bruh. They will never make me hate Sonic Colors. The good news is that we don't have to handle when the item is selected. Although I guess we could make a we'll make a on void on demo select, and then we just need to get a finite button called self, the ID, and then a void data value, which we're not going to use. Or actually, we are going to use it, and then we're going to see. Now, the reason why it's defined twice is because the onSelect actually has a loopback, which this should have a loopback too. So, because we need to be able to call the function and tell it to redraw itself. Shut up, YouTube. I don't want to. Ow, now's a good time to take a break. How about no? Alright, so then here's the loop back. We're going to pretty much do what this does, minus the whole changing values in the settings. And then we want to call JavaScript. And then this is going to be on demo select. Alright, so now instead of on lang select, we're going to use on demo select. And then this is going to be it's going to be 0. We're going to enable loopback here. Alright, so now we have the array of buttons. So the next thing is we just need to draw the buttons themselves, which is going to be, if we come back to draw lang, this is the next button that we're not going to use. Hold on, let me make sure we're inserting the items into the buttons array, which we are not. And then here we're going to say buttons I instead of buttons I minus 1 because there's no offset. Cool. Now, for int I equals 0, while I is less than 10, I plus plus. And then to do right now, we're just going to literally change the position. And the scroll animation is not going to be difficult at all. It's just going to be recursive. There has to be a better way to do this than recursively though. But I guess there isn't because it's handling its own affairs. Okay, so moving to we need to say double y pause equals, and for right now, before we do this, actually I don't even need to do that because I've already done all the math required for this in drawLang, which is right here. And then we're going to use that n origin value. Okay, so we're going to take origin y. It's going to be 0. And then it's going to be box y. I have to give the definition of that because that's the actual size of the thing. What did I define box y? The good thing is that the boxes have the same scale, so it's not an issue. But let's go define these right here right now. Alright, cool. So now stroke is, so what we want to do, we don't really care about box Y plus, and then we're going to say, oh, stroke, it don't matter, plus 4 times I times, and then we're going to do I minus my shell dot button. This should be an integer, right? Okay. So we don't care about drawing a stroke right now. And now we're going to draw the finite and origin. Alright, now, if I did this correctly, which I think I did, I really think I did, we don't care about this check. This is just make sure that if the item is selected, that's what we're doing. All we need to do is make sure that the item, and then its text is not going to equal length strings, it's going to equal my items. Here you see length strings. I length string my item. Okay. I think I did this correctly, but you know, me and first try stuff don't really mix. Oh, look at that! I did it right. There's just one problem, and that's A, I'm still drawing the clip test. She did it right. Yeah, I'm still drawing the clip test. We don't care about you anymore. Now there's just one other problem, and that is that it doesn't get updated, and that's because, oh, sorry, I need a ninja. Gotta rebuild. Alright, so it actually is working, guys. As you see in the comments, it's actually going, whoa, wait, no it's not. It's kind of working. Ah. Alright. Alright, now it's working. Now it's working. Now it's working. Almost. I need to make the width a little smaller. Box W. I don't know how bad my math was on that. Oh, wait, that actually worked. Yeah, that was right. Okay. I was like, oh man, I messed up. It's like, no, you did it right now. Ninja. Trying to see how far in I can make it without making it look uncomfortable. That look good. Alright, so now for the fun part. It's time for the fun part, guys. We're gonna make the scroll. So right now I have on, when I create the buttons, I'm making it so that, where am I making the buttons? Right here. So right now I'm giving it a select option and nothing else. We need to give it a focus function, which is the second param, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, on focus callback, which basically just means which will call, which our boys up to. No, you're the only one. All I need is you. I'm always and forever. All I need is me. Remember when I said all I need is love for us to be together. 'Cause you're my number one. All I need is you. I'm always and forever. All I need is me. Remember when I said all I need is love. So we need to create a on number one. So all of the callbacks have the same thing. The reason we can't make data is because data is a type that already exists. And the only thing I need to do is just call I have an idea. Okay, so we gotta put this up here. So now on the demo select, now we have on focus, demo focus. Alright. Now this should force it to redraw. This is the thing we want to see. Hey! I'm just like that for real. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, so going down it works, going up it does not. It is you for always and forever. Remember when I said all you need is love for us to be together. Always and forever. Remember when I said all you need is love for us to be together. Number one. So I wonder why this math doesn't work. So we're gonna do some calculations together. So let's start with what the definition of Y scale is. Y scale is the height, which is 1080 in a normal on a normal screen. In fact, actually, this thing logs out what the height is, so we can look at that number instead. So the height is 1024 on here. QXUI for real. What's up, Steve Cat? We're doing math right now. That's the 4. Oh wait, that's the width. The height is 768. I'm sorry. So 768. And then Y scale is multiply that times 0.55. You should make it 360 so it scales well to other resolutions. What do you mean 360? It already scales. It's everything is relative. So as long as I restart and redraw, because it doesn't have adaptive rendering, but it will scale. I just use the smaller resolution because it makes it easier for me to render it because it'll draw faster. We don't use AI upscaling here. So the Y scale is 422.4. So that's the size of the box. So 422.4. Okay, 422.4 times 0.02. So 8.448 offset. So 8.44 plus box Y, which is the size of the box plus 4. TW is 0.645 times 0. No. TW or TH? No, box Y. Y is 768 times 0.55. So I'm taking that and multiplying it by 0.116. 0.16. Okay. Make the scoreboard grabbing slightly glow when you're scrolling. It look better. I'm trying to make it so that everything works first, because right now I actually got the scrolling down. It's just that it needs to not do that. So when we're at 0, it just lags. We need to do no loop backing. And as you can see, it clips. So I'm trying to figure out why it's doing that. Away from here, we're looking for the clues. So to prevent loop back, we just take this line out. That will remove the down relationship with 9. It's time to play a game. Tell me what's feeling. Going on a paradise, we keep it forever. So why is it? You know what? Here's what we're gonna do. Instead of having it giving math, instead of doing the math and struggling, we're gonna do a finite log here. Looking for answers and looking for the clues. Fire, 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 fire. Yep, this is one of my favorite songs. This actually had me in a chokehold for a long time. Fire, 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 fire. Oh, this should be 0.2F because it's a double. Fire, 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 fire. 0.2F. Okay, and then we need to. I need to get. What is this? I don't know. Yeah, I come. Rougher than the rest of them, the best of them, the tougher than leather. You can call me Knuckles. Unlike Sonic, I don't chuckle. I'd rather flex my muscle. I'm hard as nails, it ain't hard to tell. I break them down whether they solid or frail. Just peak fight peak, bruh. In the work script. On my island, in the heavens, all of my ancestors flows inside me. The duty is save the power. This says dimensions, but it's actually position. It's your heart free, true. Over them era spirits that's in you. So. Huh? 5. Huh? Oh! I'll stand up to all the pain and tomorrow. Makes me believe in myself. Fun fact, the Knuckles bit in the song made by Papa the Rapper's DLVA. My planet, I'm a... yeah. Who's this voice actor? They call me Knuckles. I like Sonic, I don't chuckle. Jesus, why is there so much lore? Oh, that's where that I Gotta Believe sample comes from, isn't it? I don't know why I put an S. Dread Fox? There's like so many... Not in Japan. I don't want to look at the English stuff, but... What is up with them? Is that got in you? I don't know. I don't see him. Dread Fox. Oh! Oh, Jamie Foxx! I don't know. The guy who made all these songs, yeah. Oh, the compilation ended. I should have noticed that. So I was like, damn, these are just throwing everything in here. Yeah. I knew who the guy who made the song was. I didn't know that he was the voice actor for Papa the Rapper. Sonic Wiki Zone. Alright, let's get back to work. As I'm trying to finish this today! 80. Waiting and serenity is restored. This is my planet, got to not surrender. Here I come, rougher than the rest of them, the best of them, tougher than leather. Call me Knuckles, unlike Sonic, I don't chuckle. Yes, I'd rather flex my muscles. On the block with the buff chest, out the wilderness with the ruggedness. Go thrower, independent thrower, magical ammo holder. The coldest shoulder, the fights go through boulders. That's why I say alone, I was born by myself. I don't need to propagate it on by itself. Every theories get shelved. Right on. And then we need to say I, and we need to say I minus my shell dot active button. Boom, 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 ba-dum, ba-dum, boom. Wait, what's active button? integer, but its first value is 0, isn't it? Wait, hold up, crew. La, la, la. Wait, huh? That makes literally no sense. So, its first value, I is 0, active offset is 0. If I go down, I is 1, active offset is also 1. If I go up, then I becomes 0, and active offset should also be 0. So then why is it negative 1? That doesn't make any sense. That makes no sense. That makes like literally no sense. Alright, guess we're printing, I thought that I knew what, my shell.active button was, but I guess not. Apparently I'm wrong. So close yet so far. Active button 0? Huh? 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 Does that say active? What? Oh, I love programming, man. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful thing, really. So, huh? 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 Is active button updating too slow? That is golden. Actually, I think we're going to not trust active button. Active button is updating too slow. And so we're gonna update our active button instead of the server side active button, because that is funny. It's updating too slow, and as a result, it's using the old active button instead of the current up-to-date one. Then but then I gotta figure out. That's gonna suck. Okay, so hold up. Finite log my shell active button. Yeah, log it here. It's too slow. Oh, I can't just do that. I gotta say %d. Don't worry, that's intentional. Alright, so 0. I press down, it's still 0. Now it's 1. Okay, So let's go back to using I show the active. I don't know. Apparently it's updating too slow, which doesn't really make a whole lot of sense to me since it's using that data to draw. Oh. Whoa. Ninja. No, 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 no. I did something wrong. I minus, yeah. Okay. Trying to press down. Active button. Who's printing that? Oh, that's the server printing that. It literally tells you, doesn't it? Yeah, infinite pull keys, yeah. Oh, milk about me. So I is 0, active button is 0, and active offset is also 0. If I press down, then it's still saying that I is 0. Draw scroll agrees that it is 0. So active button is 0. But I minus 0 is 1. But then when I press up, now it's catching up. So I equals 0, active button is the previous value, which makes it -1. Active button is lagging, and there's very little I can do about it. Seems like. Ow, 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 ow. So yeah, active button is lagging. How can we remedy that? Let's look at the actual finite log. The code that's responsible for that. So close yet so far, bruh. Like, it's literally right there. I just gotta fix that up with finite. This could be a very important pitch. Alright, so we're looking at the implementation of finite pull keys, which is this. Right, so up. This is down, so we don't care about this. Because down is right. There you go. Up. So self.unfocus. Self.active button equals self.id. Hey! You set active button after you call the callback. That's kind of useless. That's pretty useless, actually. How about we don't do that and then make active button like actually a useful value? How about we not make active button useless? Fix of button delayed updates. What changes did I make to Mason? Oh, yeah, no, you can keep that change. Yeah, give me the change of that. The finite. No, I don't care about this. Let's just go ahead. Open in terminal. Nope. Whoa. Ninja, which probably won't. Huh. Yes, why? Alright, now we gotta come back here and then Control C and Ninja this. Now, there we go. Alright, that actually makes a lot of sense because that would also answer the question of why was it. So oh, yeah, move backwards too. Look at that. Oh yeah, don't try and spam this because it will break. But now we just gotta do the last thing, which is making this update. Alright. Come on, Wi-Fi, don't fail me now. Alright, so obviously as you scroll, you're gonna want to be able to move the bar down. So what we need to do is the last thing. We just need to make, right now I'm setting the size to be XY. This is the size being set right here. So it's going to be, height is going to make double. Full scale is equal to this. No, equal to this. Height times 0.5. 0.5. Now, you're going to be full scale divided by 10. That's the size, and then your position is going to be. Keep freezing. Yeah, it's my Wi-Fi, guys. I'm sorry. And then subtract. Wait. Can we feel the sunshine? Does it brighten up your day? Don't you feel the sunshine? You just need to run away. Minus box Y times my show that I could play. Let's see. I've been doing very good on the first tries today, so let's see if I did that math right. Hey! It almost worked. Almost. And you, and you're here. Be a brighter day. Can you feel the sunshine every day? You just need to run away. Divided. It can't be box Y. It's gotta be the size of the. It's gotta be full scale. Okay, so it's height. We have the height. We need to divide the bar up into 10 pieces. So that's a position, right? It should be full scale minus full scale divided by 10 times my shell dot. Like this what? It sounds right. Now the question is it right? I have a master's degree in math! Oh my gosh! That is actually so big brain. So you take the full scale, divide it into the number of items that are in the array, and then multiply it by the current item, and that should get you the right scale. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I did the thing. It is 11:41, and I'm going to go and get food because I have not eaten all day. Well, that was a lie. I ate breakfast, but I think we made a lot of good progress. I will post the scrolling thing. Thank you to everybody that has been here, and I will see you guys tomorrow at, what did I say, 2 o'clock? Alright, crew. I will see y'all.